Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A16 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you need to do is go to the phone app, and you're going to go to the keypad, and you're going to type in star pound 06 and pound. This will show us our IMEI information. Write down the number right underneath IMEI 1. You'll need that for the next step of the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. And then here we're going to go down to Galaxy A. So right here, Galaxy A16 5G. Tap Unlock Phone. Verify that you're seeing the same phone that's yours. Price is going to be $27.99, and there's about a 1 to 72 hour turnaround time. The way it works is you're going to put in the order, and then they're going to send you an email with the most current unlocking instructions to carrier unlock the phone. Okay, now keep in mind the process to unlock phones does change from time to time. Also, it's different for every carrier, so they find the current information and then they send that to you so you can finish unlocking your phone. Here you're going to select the country you purchased the phone in, the carrier, which is going to be AT&T, or whatever carrier that your phone is. You'll type in your IMEI in this box here, add to cart, you'll check out, and you'll pay. Now I want to direct your attention to the top of the screen really quickly. You have 4 different ways to contact the company in case you need to follow up on an order. There's a phone number, a number to text, an email, and a WhatsApp number. So just know that you have those different options. This is one of the reasons why I like the website, because you have a lot of different ways to connect with the company to get a follow-up in the event you have a question. Once you get the email with the final unlocking instructions, you're going to follow those steps, restart the phone, and then from there, you want to hopefully have the SIM card of the new service you want to use the phone with. You're going to find your SIM tool in the box of your phone, take out the old SIM card, and then put in the new SIM card. If you don't have the SIM card yet, no problem. You don't need that for the unlock. Just know that once it's unlocked, you can put in the new SIM to basically test the unlock. So it's good to have it ready if you do have it, all right? I'll drop a link in the description to the website. Hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.